In this example, I'm going to continue solving exponential equations, and this time I have an exponent with base e. Okay, this is the first step that you need, and that is, as you can see, that the unknown is in the power. So that's usually what that means, is that it's an exponential equation. But we want to first isolate the exponent. So we want it by itself, that whole term. So this term should be by itself. And to do that, we're going to divide both sides by 3. Okay, so that's our first step, isolating the exponent. Now, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So now the exponent is on one side and the number is on the other side. Now we can apply natural log to both sides. So now let's apply ln to both sides and use the one-to-one property, make them equal, and see if we can solve it. So what's next? Next, you take this 8t, which is in the power, and you move it to the front and use power rule for the logs. And we're going to get 8t multiplied by natural log of e. And that's equal to natural log of 7. Here, it may look like this is something complicated. However, natural log of e is actually 1. Now, if you don't believe me, you can just use a calculator. So if I were to, I'm going to show you, like if you wanted to compute natural log of e, it tells you that's 1. So why is that 1, by the way? That's actually not that hard to see, because natural log is the same as log with base e. So when they say ln, that they mean log with base e and then of e. So what would that be? Well, if we raise e to some power, we should get back e. Well, what power that is? Well, that would be power 1, because e to the power 1 will just give me e. So this right here, to make the long story short, is just 1. And that will make it 8t equal to natural log of 7. And then we divide both sides by 8. And that's going to be our answer. So be careful not to put 8 inside. And so that's going to be natural log of 7 divided by 8. So let's see. Okay, now we do want to put exact answers, so they just want us to put it like that. They want, they don't want a decimal.